Hi folks, we've been busy researching audio mixers to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. An audio mixer is an electronic device that lets you alter and control different digital audio signals that can be used in an array of activities like music production, broadcasting or film production. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump right to the mixer that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what audio mixer you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best audio mixers. The 5th product on our list is the Behringer Xenyx 502. The Behringer Xenyx 502 is a compact audio mixer with an affordable price tag. It has a portable design at 1.3 pounds or half a kilogram, perfect for studio and live applications. With this unit you get fantastic sound. It boasts a high quality analog mixer that gives you an ultra low distortion free sound along with high headroom. There's also the phantom powered mic preamp that you can use alongside the 2-band EQ. With the EQ knobs you get traditional sounds partnered with a unique tone. It also lets you adjust the gain to a maximum of 60 decibels. If you're looking for an impressive range, you'll love the Xenyx 502's frequency response, which starts from 10 Hz and reaches up to 200 kHz. This range covers every note that you might use so that your music always sounds terrific. This Behringer unit also boasts 5 channels. The first is a dedicated channel for your mic, which can also be used for instruments. The next 2 are line inputs that double as 4 separate mono channels. You can use them by balancing the knob between left or right. The onboard EQ does wonders for your vocals. This is a feature that DJs and studio producers will appreciate. Here's something you should know before buying the Behringer Xenyx 502. It works better in smaller setups where it does a few things perfectly. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable and portable audio mixer, Behringer's Xenyx 502 is a solid choice. The 4th product on our list is the Mackie ProFX10. The Mackie ProFX10 version 3 is a 10-channel audio mixer with a simple layout that makes it easy to navigate. This device has a compact design with an angled top panel that gives you a great view of all the knobs and sliders. One of this board's best features is its onboard effect capabilities. The Gig FX engine gives you 2 unique chorus effects and a plethora of delays like double, echo and ping pong. If you want to add some grit and noise texture to your track, the overdrive and distortion effects have your back. All in all, there are 24 effects, including a wah and flange option. They're easy to turn on and off. You also get pedal connectivity as a hands-free operating option, so you can toggle your effects on the fly while playing. If you're looking to record vocal tracks, the ProFX10 gives you access to 4 of them simultaneously using the Mackie Onyx mic preamps. The first 2 channels are designed for handling high-gain instruments such as acoustic guitar pickups and their combined jack and TRS connections. The following 2 are standard XLR connections for microphones. These channels all give you up to 60 decibels of gain. Each channel also has dedicated gain dials along with a 3-band EQ and a 100Hz high-pass filter. The Mackie ProFX10 is an audio mixer that gives you everything you need in a nice package. It's perfect for beginners who are transitioning into music production or pros who want a portable device. Here's what you should know before buying the Mackie ProFX10. It does not feature Bluetooth, which can be a bit of a hiccup when you're using several devices. The 3rd product on our list is the Soundcraft GB8 48. The Soundcraft GB8 is a fully equipped audio mixer with 48 channels. It has a solid construction with an angled top that gives you a clear view of the whole setup. You'll find all the connections on the back, giving you a non-obstructed view of your workspace. You get 4 full-function stereo channels and 4 stereo returns, making the GB8 perfect for instruments or vocal tracks. It boasts dual-mode topology, making it perfect for monitoring. This Soundcraft unit groups its controls. There are 8 mix groups, 8 auxiliary groups and 4 mute groups. You can switch every aux from pre to post fade using the master section. The 4 mute groups let you mute multiple channels in one go. This is an excellent feature if you're working on a couple of tracks simultaneously. If you want to create a stereo recording of your mix, you can use the limiter on the record and alternate outputs. The Soundcraft GB8 is a professional quality audio mixer that is perfect for studio use or in performance venues. It's a powerful tool that can take your music to the next level. Here's what you should know before buying the Soundcraft GB8. This is not an audio mixer for beginners, and the features may be overkill for casual musicians. The second product on our list is the Allen & Heath Z12. Allen & Heath's Z12 is an audio mixer that looks and sounds fantastic. It boasts 12 channels along with a stereo USB interface that can convert 24-bit 48 kHz. You'll find all your connectivity inputs on the top portion of the front panel. The first 6 channels are dedicated mic preamps with 48V phantom power. Next to them are 6 stereo or instrument inputs on dual mono jacks, perfect for connecting various instruments. Allen & Heath labels all the inputs and knobs clearly so you won't get lost trying to navigate the Z12. There's a monitor output for your amp or speakers using a pair of RCA phono sockets. If you need to record your track externally, there's a record output, or you can use the USB socket. Audio mixing is a breeze with the Z12. 4 mono channels feature a low-cut filter and 3-band EQ. The EQ includes high shelf, swept mid and low shelf filters. These are incredibly useful when you're dealing with vocals. There's no end to what you can achieve with the Allen & Heath Z12. It's an excellent option for music production and is worth every penny. Here's what you should know before buying the Allen & Heath Z12. The manual provided can be a bit confusing, so it might take you some time to get used to this mixer. The first product on our list is the Yamaha MG20XU. The Yamaha MG20XU is a compact and portable audio mixer with 20 channels. This means you get 20 simultaneous inputs, perfect for live performances, band music or even lectures. You get 12 mono mic or line input channels so you can plug your instruments, microphones and line level audio gear in. There are also 4 stereo line input channels which can double as mic or line input. If you want to record to your computer, you'll be happy to know that the MG20XU features USB connectivity. It also gives your computer 2 in and 2 out channels. This provides you with 24-bit audio, which is fantastic for live performance recordings or track demos. You won't have to worry about poor mic audio with this device's D-Pre mic preamps. All 20 channels have these pre's along with 3-band EQ, pan control and a high-pass filter. For the 12 mono mic/line channels you also get a sweepable mid-range control. You can use condenser and dynamic microphones without hassle because the preamps have switchable 48V phantom power. On channels 1 through 8 you'll find a 1-knob compressor that will help you tweak the dynamics of vocals and instruments. The MG20XU boasts XLR and TRS stereo outs for connecting to your PA system or speaker. If you're monitoring the audio by yourself, you can use the 1/4-inch headphone output. The Yamaha MG20XU is a solid choice for an audio mixer. With 20 channels you get a diverse range of connections and features while keeping your device travel friendly. Here's what you should know before buying the Yamaha MG20XU. The USB port can get hot when left plugged in for extended periods of time. This can be an issue when using a lot of devices with the audio mixer. And there you have it folks, the 5 audio mixers that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.